So, Sheng Yang teach the big podcaster how to speak. I'm gonna say how to chat patwa. Them a make you know say no link no there. No link no there. Vybz Kartel always a do it. A DJ Palmer. Look out for the African tour, you know, people. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a banger. Yeah, man. Artist to artist, a whole of vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, people, I would love if you go check out that trending song yeah, by many more. Baby, it's you. Me I tell you people that song yeah, that one yeah, the one for Christmas.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear out there with another DRV news. Our world, no sympathy more to see with a slimmer ticket. Yeah, hear me talk. Yeah, big up to my team. As I say, yeah, we make it possible. You hear that? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, it would be fantastic. You know what I mean? Yeah, hit the subscription. So, up in our news. Shensia, yeah, Shen Yang. So enough people never know. So I now say she's a tour guide, you know what I mean? But she a par with famous Bobby, you see me I say, which is the host of the real podcast. Zine, and you know she sitting with her, all her vibes and them a reason and a chat and sitting. You don't know a proper English, I go cross the boat straight.
So wagwan.
Oh, I know that word.
Say it.
Wagwan.
Ooh.
So Sheng Yang makes you know. Say listen, as a native Jamaican which had patois, Bobby was stunned. Like she was like, what you say, what you talk about? You know what I mean? In this day and age, a lot of people still there in the world don't know, you know what I mean, the culture language, patois. A lot of people in the world see Jamaicans and don't know say patois. The cultural language is called Zine. So Sheng Yang did it with her and I make sure know say, yo, we are going down River Fall. Bobby I say, what you say? Sheng Yang I make sure know say, yo, you have to go learn some patois. Zine, because we are going down River Fall. You see me I say, go all our vibes. Anyway, boom. Bobby grab it and chat it. Zine. So, next day now them jump out, you see me I say, over down River them reach. A rock, paper, scissors I first go. Okay, don't know where go a girl them, you see me I say. So, them rock, paper, scissors it out to see who first I got touch the water. And it look like them dead from early because we not see no whole heap of people. You see me I say? Yeah, celebrity type of flex, you know. So, yeah, I saw the thing come down. Yeah, man. So, them go over the iconic river. Yeah, watch it. Down River Fall. And you can see say Bobby look like she live her best life apart with the great Sheng Yang. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Be a sitting. Be a vibes. Be a joy. Yeah, Sheng Yang are going with be a sitting.
We are go.
We are go.
We are go.
Duns River.
Don's River.
Real soon.
Real soon.
What?
That just
There is absolutely no link at the embassy. Let me debunk that. That is fraud. You don't want that on your file.
Alright, see it now, people. And I nothing to go ramp with and I nothing to go play with. You see me I say? Because in this day and age, you have to know what you do. We know say Jamaica rough, we know say the economy stay away. So me I say, yeah, but dog, go on like you want to climb out on the branch. You see me I say, because the branch too weak and tear down with you. So you have some people that pay serious amount of money to get legal papers. You see me I say from the embassy. Is it? You know me I talk about visa and them type of something there. You see me I say over 200,000 them type of money there. So you have some people in a place that shed some light and I make a know say listen. Them a make you know say listen, when you spend a piece of food and then you go link the people them a go know say some form of fraud you not going with. Because once you apply for your visa, you get that white paper there. She's simply letting you know, or they're simply letting you know that you're eligible for the visa. You see me I say? So, going forward, when you present this information that wasn't issued by the embassy, then you issue this information to the embassy. Yeah, fraud they are going with. So, they will make you know, say, yeah, what, don't go do that something there. Don't try that something there. Zin, do it the right way. You know what I mean? Yeah, things are changing on my people and they can't waste food right now. Because you can see, $1,000 in a valley, you know. You know what I mean? And when I hear about 200,000 come like nothing. You see me I say? Because a man spend 200,000 in a week. You see? Yeah, man.
The fact that you go to the embassy and you get that white paper in hand, it means that you are already qualified for the visa.
Big up the people living at the place, see? And the ladies say, good night, my ladies.
So yeah, people, Vybz Kartel make another appearance. Jamaica. You see me I say? I know when a DJ Palmer, the world boss, touch anyway, is a Vybz. You know? Is a Vybz. So first week, the artist did it, and he might do it again.
Yeah. And the tongues them get 10 buckle line, listen. As usual. You don't know what I drink tonight? What I drink? Boy, as usual. Alright, let me select and do smooth it, right? Yeah. Alright.
So, him link up the bar, tender, you don't know, you have some host, some girl who walk around and them type of something called new day and age. You see me and say, you know, walk go to bar again. Yeah? Yeah? Females carry the thing part. So, the artist make her know, say, yo, she make a beefsteak. And him not gonna have that. Zine. So she carry the whole of liquor them up top. Kartel make she know, say, listen, 10 for the girls, 10 for the thugs. You see me and say, 10 NSC, 10 NSC. Yeah? And then, him go to say, selectors I wanna beat. And the selector them go say, Moet. So him say, Deuce Moet. That one the fresh. Remember, you know, people, this could have run with you know. You know what I mean? Because you have deuces in a butt. Not Deuce Moet. You see me and say? Yeah, because I know in a Jamaica when I ramp with that double A. Yeah, when I go say, is it? Yeah, man, Kartel appearance, anyway, a beer pack.
What my African brother them, the people them at Kenya claim me and say me I feed them one, so you know them we know, them must know what them I say because they never left the continent. So them can reach Africa. Them next year. I get one heap of half about you and now, Brando. You can't do 2 shows Africa and left.
Yeah.
You have to do a tour.
So,
Yeah, you have to spend at least a month or 2. I lock down the whole Africa, man. Next year, definitely. We'll be there.
that bad.
So, more and the most talked about, viewed, listened artists in this day and age. So, Vybz Kartel make you know say Africa reach out. And you know from the motherland reach out and then a normal something. So, on an interview recently, the artist is letting us know that he will be performing in Kenya. You know what I mean? 2025, he will be performing in Kenya. Yet, he goes to say that you can't just go Africa, go do 1 show, 1 night, 2 days. You can't go do Africa, so. So, the artist, the businessman, the entrepreneur, Mr. Palmer, I say, listen, this is going to take a tour and not a 1 week tour or 2 week tour. It look like a 1 month to 2 month tour because the artists go to mention other countries within Africa. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, the big continent have countries within it and then you have village within the countries. So, the artist break it down and make you know, say, listen, if I go Kenya, I have to go Zimbabwe, I have to go over Nairobi, I have to go run a Kushites, them, I have to go Ethiopia. You know what I mean? I have to go Ghana. You see me and say, a whole heap of other place in Africa. So, it can't be a 1 month show, 2 month show. Can't go Africa for 2 weeks. Big Vybz Kartel. Yeah? So, the artists are making know. I know how the businessman stay. All of that are orchestrated and a plan. Because I'm not going to talk it and not do it. That with Kartel. From you hear him out time out, just know say something going around there. Yeah? Because it have to be curated and put into fruition. This is Kartel. So, we are look forward for that tour there. And it's going to be a grand tour. You know what I mean? I know the whole of Africa are going to love to see the artists. You hear me talk? Alright, people. So, when I see links like these, they know say something there in the making. Zine. So this is Popcorn and Tanto Blacks are all our vibes. And you know Tanto already. Tanamane. Zine, excuse me. Is it? Yeah, man, a beer vibes, and I so love to see the unity within dancehall, within the music. Zine, more collaborations and more work, more project, as I say, because remember the business require this type of approach. So if the artists them can be this living example for the younger artists them, a joy. You see me I say? Yeah, you know popcorn and normal when it comes to music and delivering, you see me I say, and curating some good shows and them type of something there. More you see the artists on the scene sometimes off of the scene, but popcorn always relevant. You know? Yeah. Tanto Blacks, the man they current. When I say current, he might not have a song in about the man have a chat them. When I say might not current, but he might have the chat them. Excuse me. You see me I say? That's rich. That's what I say. That's rich people. Yeah, people, I would love if you go check out that trending song yeah, by many more. Baby, it's you. Me I tell you people that song yeah. Yeah, that one yeah, the one for Christmas.